Black. Black coffee is as simple and straightforward a drink can get. It's made by brewing ground beans in hot water, served warm with no milk or sugar to tempering the taste of your beverage, so you know what really makes up for its rich flavor. Quality ingredients. Latte. As the most popular coffee drink out there, a latte is comprised of an espresso shot and steamed milk with just a touch of foam. It can be ordered plain or topped off with any one flavor from vanilla to pumpkin spice depending on your preference. Cappuccino. Cappuccino is a hot, rich beverage that tastes great with or without cream. It's typically made from espresso and steamed milk, but some people add flavor shots to make their drink more interesting. Americano. With a strong, bold flavor that is similar to black coffee, an Americano consists of espresso shot mixed with hot water. Espresso. The espresso shot is a simple but versatile enough to be used in many different recipes. A shot of espresso is the perfect addition to any coffee drink. Doppio. A double shot of espresso, the doppio is perfect for putting extra pep in your step. A caffeine high that will make you feel like an unstoppable force. Cortado. Cortado is a balanced combination of strong espresso and steamed milk. You can't have too much espresso or milk. A cortado is the perfect balance of these two tastes, with steamed milk used to reduce acidity in your coffee drink. Red eye. A red eye is the perfect drink for those mornings when you feel like your heart won't stop racing. Made with an espresso shot and some hot coffee, this will make anything seem better. Galão. A Portuguese hot coffee drink, the cappuccino is closely related to the latte and has an equal amount of foam. Unlike its two counterparts, though, it contains about twice as much milk, which makes for a lighter yet still rich-tasting drink. Lungo. A lungo is the perfect drink to have after a long day. The longer you pull on it, the more caffeine there will be in just one cup. Macchiato. The macchiato is a drink that has just enough foam to cover the top of your cup. It's somewhere in between an espresso and doppio, but stronger than either one. Mocha. The macchiato is another espresso-based drink that has a small amount of foam on top. It's the happy medium between cappuccino and doppio, but not quite as rich or sweet-tasting in comparison to either one. Ristretto. Ristretto is a delicious and sweet espresso shot. It uses less hot water, which creates an intense but balanced flavor profile compared to the bitter taste of traditional shots, or double-doubles for those who like their coffee strong. Flat white. This Aussie-born drink is a cappuccino without the foam or chocolate sprinkle. It's an espresso with steamed milk that you can enjoy any time of day. Affogato. The affogato is an Italian dessert in which ice cream and espresso are combined. The creamy treat can be enjoyed at any time, but it's best paired with a brownie to cut through all that rich flavors. Café au lait. For those who are coffee fiends, but don't want to add too much flavor, café au lait is perfect. Just splash in some warm milk and you're all set. Irish. The Irish coffee is a classic drink that consists of black coffee, whiskey and sugar topped with whipped cream.